Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but you get yourself another 30 minutes for free, completely one-to-one. Come over to ldlcall.com and book your slot, and we can have a chat about what you want to do and how we can get you started. But first, here is today's quote. Do more of what makes you awesome. So what makes you awesome? What makes you feel truly incredible in your world? Whatever that is, whatever makes you smile and gives you that little spark, those are the things that you need to do more of. The things that make you feel fulfilled and give you life are the things that you need to hold on to and do more of. A happy you is an incredibly productive you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.